Hi Virgo, this is your channel messages for the 2nd of November. I'm your host Vanessa Carby, psychic medium, spiritual practitioner, and tarot reader. Virgo, your channel message is the Devil card bears. So I'm getting something between you and a Capricorn. Because Capricorn, no, we're getting something with you and Leo. Leo got the Devil card, cuddle. That was Leo's message. Yeah, I forgot to say that in Leo's reading. We're getting your message is the Devil card bears. So I don't know what the devil lose. I don't know if somebody did cuddle with the devil. I'm getting the devil is going to lose, you're going to lose. I'm getting you're in a battle with the devil right now, okay? Who doing Virgo? Maybe over your soul, maybe over your child. But I'm getting the devil. I'm getting the devil is showing symptoms that he's here to collect. The time is running out, Virgo. We're looking at your ancestry tarot spread though. So your family tree, sorry, let's go. Your female bloodline blessing is a Tower card. So what is this blessing? I'm getting every single house. I'm getting something about to just get housing. Your female, somebody in your family is a PSW, they meet a man, the man had no family and him leave all inheritance to you. I'm getting your family has lived their life based upon unexpected occurrences that happen around them. I'm getting you can't plan nothing. You're not a person who say, I'm going to go to school for nursing for 5 years and be a nurse. You would up on the street, somebody crash, you run, go help them, and then you get one job. Say, oh my God, you helped. You know what, here's my business card. Come to my workplace. So you get a job that way. I'm getting your girls in your family is like, I don't know. I feel like when one family member fall, another one goes up. Like something has to happen to a girl in your family line in order for something to come through. Because getting destruction is what is a blessing in your family. Don't know what that means. I was watching a summary of a movie last night that called The Brass Teacup. Where them find this teacup or them find this thing. And every time you hurt somebody physically or mentally, the teacup full up of money appear. Every night them go sleep, them wake up, or every single time them hurt themselves or hurt the feelings of somebody, money appear. I don't know, I feel like something that is destructive is being used for money. Like you just see a commotion outside and nothing is happening, somebody just being dramatic to make a scene and then just walk off, making them just get paid. So there could be something about crisis actors. That's your blessing though. Your blessing is bad news for other people is great news for your females of your family. Maybe females know for the witchcraft, them know for other people. What is the challenge? The two, yeah, them the witchcraft. You hear? Me getting every time something fall apart for another woman, it falls good for you. Some type of magic that way. Or something about, I don't know, it is. This could be something about an actual building. I'm getting money too, something about money. There's something about you have the architecture, but you can't furnish the house. You live in a big castle, but the castle cold and concreted and dusty. It could be something about a building, a very ancient building that's attached to your family. Because I'm getting the blessings is when unexpected change happens, it's good for you. But the challenge is you're the one who's doing it. So maybe you don't know when to stop. Maybe every time you do something and get money, you don't know when to stop. You just use being used. You just use them like the brass teacup. Use them every time you get money. It's money appear, money appear, money appear. Oh my God, it's more, it's more. Let's keep hurting them. Let's keep capturing them. Let's kidnap them. Yes, more, more, more. What is the male's blessing? The 9 of Cups. I'm getting at least the males can drink. Or I'm getting the males are very attentive to children. The men in your family, they're great with kids. What is the curse for the males? The Emperor, but them drunk with power. Me getting the males will be like, yes, I'm protecting this kid, but I locked her up in a room, in a basement, all her life. Only feed her 3 times a day, and that's protection. So I'm getting when you're drunk with power, or I'm getting when I mix alcohol with power. So now you're making Decisions as an emperor, drunk. And everybody are listening to you. So I'm getting a sort of man them say a lot of decisions the men made were drunken decisions. Are me getting the man them believe if the girls them don't have babies, they're not worth protecting. Okay, what is your advice from, what is the blessings you got from your mother's talents? The lion. I'm guessing your mother was a protector, or she teach the girls them for protect themselves, maybe from men. I'm getting these girls don't scared for whip your blood clot ass. The sister them will gang you and beat you if you're a man, or if you're a woman. Maybe your mother teacher say, listen, there's evil men on this earth. Your own father never protect me. So you should know you need to protect yourself from man first and from woman second. Me getting your mother teach you to defend yourself, or she teach you for don't afraid to attack a man if you need to attack him. Because they'll tell you that the men are more superior, the men are the king of the jungle, but the king of swords is over the woman's side. So I'm getting your mother wasn't no bitch ass woman. Where your father teach you. Your father was a police officer. So maybe your father used to say, I protect your mother. Me getting him isolate your mother, him lock up your mother one place, and him tell everybody say I'm protecting her. Me getting your mother was locked up for a very, very long time, away from people, away from society, away from stuff. Somebody basically trap her, never gave her money, or he put your mother in debt. He make sure baby so that she would always have to provide for a amount. He make sure that she hold on this house, never help her pay the rent. Your mother was always distracted of where she gonna live next. Maybe she only could rely on a man for help her. But me getting your mother teach you, don't do what your father did to me. Because I'm getting your father was a police officer, that's why your mother's life was torture. Maybe she was fucking with a Sagittarius, Leo, Aries man because she tired of what your father got through with her. I'm getting your father was a police officer. And he used to get drunk and make decisions. Or something about your father is a police officer and one day he was drunk and he did something to your son. And when he did it to your son, you decide to say, fuck this, we'll never talk to this man again. But me getting your life has been a complete hell even after you left this man because he's a police officer or he worked for the police. So let me see what your ancestors wanted to know. The Four of Pentacles, that you are protected. You may not have 10 of Pentacles, but you will have enough to get you by. Maybe your ancestors want you to know that your life, the life of your children, will always be oppressed because your mother made a decision to lay down with this man who obviously has a lot of power. And I'm getting, he tell everybody that, oh, I'm protecting her. He might create this false narrative. But me getting him used to lock you up alone, lock you up with the lights off. Him never give the money. Me getting the money don't even make you put on deodorant. And that's how he was supposed to live. Meanwhile, he might collect awards from the police academy for the amazing accomplishments he have done. But me getting him I don't know. I don't know if your wife is, if the girl start fuck a younger man and tell the younger man what this man used to do with you, and the man will catch up and one of the nice things where you drink. Something like that. We have hidden prisons. Yeah, you lock up the woman now in prison. Bears, right. Your channel message was the devil card, bears. So I'm getting the devil not go win. If that was the devil may have wanted you to be isolated and locked up behind bars. Then better lock up them balls. The star card, because you a star. You ain't going no motherfucking where. Take a break. One more. And the world. I'm gonna leave it here for go until next time. Bye.